And for this cause God shall send them strong delusion, that they should believe a lie, that they all might be damned who believed not the truth, but had pleasure in unrighteousness.
Man-bear-pig.
Man-bear-pig?
It is a creature which roams the earth alone. It is half man, half bear, and half pig.
Al Gore has a new man-bear-pig to unleash upon planet Earth.
Some people say that Man-bear-pig isn't real. Well, I'm here to tell you now, Man-bear-pig is very real, and he most certainly exists.
The same United Nations tool who predicted at the 2009 United Nations Climate Change Conference in Copenhagen that the world would have been underwater by 2016.
Some of the models suggest to Dr. Maslowski that there is a 75% chance that the entire North Polar ice cap during some of the summer months could be completely ice-free within the next 5 to 7 years.
Exterminate! Exterminate! Exterminate!
Al Gore now has a solution to fight climate change that is just as pig-headed and doomed to fail as his inconvenient truth.
Sun's radiation comes in the form of light waves, and that heats up the Earth. And then what that does is it thickens this layer of atmosphere. More of the outgoing infrared is trapped.
From the domain of private jets and super yachts gathering from the recent United Nations Climate Change Conference, Al Gore touted his latest solution to curb carbon emissions, utilizing mass surveillance via satellite sensors and artificial intelligence.
We are entering an era of radical transparency. We are now seeing more and more satellites and ground, sea, and air-based sensors, internet data streams, crowdsourced information gathering, and Climate Trace, an organization that I have helped co-found, is now using artificial intelligence to fuse together all of these data streams to develop extremely accurate and precise algorithms that can affix responsibility for every significant greenhouse gas source of emissions on our planet. We have access to a complete picture of the entire Earth's surface every day, and soon we will have a complete picture of every square centimeter of the Earth's surface every 6 hours. And we are compiling a comprehensive list of those who are responsible for each of the entities that are emitting greenhouse gases, not to be the climate police, but to be the neighborhood watch, except the neighborhood is the globe, and we are all in this together. The Lancet Commission has now told us that we could, if we do not act, expect to see 1 billion climate refugees migrating across borders. We cannot allow this wave of authoritarian populism to spread around our world. This sustainability revolution has the magnitude of the Industrial Revolution and the speed of the digital revolution.
But per usual, the man-bear-pig hunter didn't think this one out. As Zero Hedge points out, what Gore and his 300 satellites will find is that it is the elite super-rich luxury class who are the world's largest polluters. New research by the Institute for European Environmental Policy and the Stockholm Environment Institute has found that by 2030, the carbon footprints of the wealthiest 1% of humanity are on track to be 30 times larger than the size compatible with limiting global warming by 1.5 degrees Celsius by the end of the century, the Paris Agreement's more ambitious temperature target. The report notes that should current trends continue, the richest 1% will account for 16% of global CO2 emissions in 2030.
What is that, a pig bear man?
No, stupid. It's Man Bear Pig. Nobody will listen to me about cereal!
Do you want me to get the ex-vice president out of here?
Nah, I feel kind of bad for him. I don't think he has any friends.
We can all thank the Man Bear Pig Hunter for targeting the true source of climate change, himself, and his so-called friends. John Bound reporting.
Ye are of your father, the devil, and the lusts of your father ye will do. He was a murderer from the beginning, and abode not in the truth, because there is no truth in him. When he speaketh a lie, he speaketh of his own, for he is a liar, and the father of it. And because I tell you the truth, ye believe me not.